Hello everyone. So from this video we are starting with the lower limb muscles. Okay, I complete all the muscles of upper limb in previous videos, and if you do not watch till तो आप मेरे चैनल पे जाके देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. So now in this video we are discuss the muscles of front of thigh. Okay friends, so basically the front of thigh includes total 6 muscles. Okay, but here we study only these 5 muscles that are major. Okay, so first is sartorius muscle, and second is quadricep muscle, and quadricep muscle include total 4 muscles. So basically quadriceps is a group of 4 muscles. So let's discuss one by one. First we understand the sartorius muscle. Basically the sartorius which is the શું કહેવાય એને long bone છે. Okay, and sarto means tailor. Okay, and it is the longest muscle of our body, and it is long and narrow, and it is strap like એટલે કે આખી લાકડી હોય ને એ ટાઈપનો છે. ઓકે, સો ધીસ ઇઝ અવર sartorius. ઓકે, આખી લાકડીની સોટી આવે, that type of picture. Okay, and it is the longest muscles of the our body. So origin of sartorius, so it is originates from the anterior superior iliac spine, that is ASIS. Okay, and it insert at the superior aspect of medial surface of tibial shaft near the tibial tuberosity. હવે ટિબિયા બોન છે આપણી પાસે, ઠીક છે, અને કયો બોન કહેવાય? ટિબિયા, અને ધીસ ઇઝ ટિબિયા બોન, અને આ બોન છે આપણું ફિબ્યુલા, અને આ જે લોંગ બોન છે દેટ ઇઝ ફીમર બોન, એન્ડ ધીસ ઇઝ પેલ્વિસ. ઓકે, સો it insert at the tibial tuberosity of the tibia bone. Okay, તો અહીંયા આ જે નીચેનો બોન છે, ઠીક છે, see here, this is tibia bone, અને અહીંયા આવે tibial tuberosity. So a tibial tuberosity માં end થશે એટલે કે insert થશે, and originates from the ASIS, that is anterior superior iliac spine, ASIS. Clear action. Now it basically flex the hip. Okay, flexion of thigh કરશે, or hip joint આપણે કહીએ તો, and other action is lateral rotation of the hip joint, and it also flex the knee. Okay, so it is what the action of sartorius muscle. Now the nerve supply or innervation, which is femoral nerve. Okay, so this is what all about the sartorius muscle. Basically it is a strap like muscle, and it is the longest muscle of our body. So this green color one, that is our sartorius muscle, which insert at the tibial tuberosity and originates from the ASIS. Now okay, see, this is also sartorius. The second muscle, it is the group of muscle that is quadriceps muscle. Now quadri means 4, it has 4 muscles. Rectus femoris, that is 1, second vastus intermediaris, third is vastus medialis, and fourth is vastus lateralis. Now name suggests, okay, medialis means medial side હશે thigh ની. Okay, એટલે અંદરની side, lateralis એટલે આ side હશે. Okay, so this is vastus lateralis, this is medialis, બંનેની વચ્ચે હશે, that is vastus intermediaris, and here it is rectus femoris. So let's discuss one by one. So first muscle is rectus femoris. Basically rectus femoris is originates from the anterior inferior iliac spine, that is AIIS. Okay, anterior inferior iliac spine. પેલું જે હતું એ ASIS હતું, that is superior iliac spine. Now here it is inferior iliac spine, and other hand, that is reflected head, એટલે કે થોડુંક reflect થયું હોય, that is ilium just above the acetabulum. Okay, if you remember only one, it's okay. Then insertion at the quadriceps tendon, then tibial tuberosity via patellar ligament. અહીંયા આ પટેલા છે, આ સાઈડ નીચે tibia bone છે, so it insert at the tibial tuberosity and common quadriceps tendon. Okay, and a quadriceps tendon કહેવાય because all muscles are attached here, so it known as quadriceps tendon. Then action is extension of leg at the knee. So basically quadriceps ની action છે knee extension. Okay, quads શું કરે? knee extension and flexion of hip joint. So remember This is the common action for all four muscles. And nerve supply is femoral nerve. So see, this is rectus femoris. Okay, this is bulky muscle. અને એની આજુબાજુ છે medialis અને laterales, અને આને કટ કરીએ તો આપણને દેખાય intermediates. Okay, next we discuss about the vastus medialis. So it originates from the intertrochanteric line and linea aspera of femur bone. Okay, femur bone અહીંયા છે આપણું. So this is femur bone. તો એ ક્યાંથી ઓરિજિનેટ થશે? Intertrochanteric line and linea aspera of femur. And medialis ની વાત કરી છે લા insertion at the tibial tuberosity. Okay, અહીંયા જો આ ડાયાગ્રામમાં દેખાશે medialis. So this is vastus medialis. Okay, તો અહીંયાથી ઓરિજિનેટ થશે and insertion same tibial tuberosity, and action is extension of knee joint. Okay, that is extension of tibia. So this is vastus medialis. Now the third muscle is vastus lateralis. So it is basically present on the lateral side. So origin lateral lip of linea aspera, and insertion at the outer half of upper border of patella. કે અહીંયા પટેલા બોન છે તો એની outer half. Okay, outer half of the border of patella and patellar ligament and anterior tuberosity of tibia. તો કંઈ યાદ નહીં રહેશે, you just write the tuberosity of the tibia, and action is extension of the knee joint. Okay, clear? action પણ same છે, insertion પણ same છે. You just differentiate between the origin. And the last muscle is vastus intermedius, which is basically present between the medius and lateralis. Okay, so it originates from the anterior and lateral surface of the femoral shaft. Okay, આ આખું ફીમર બોન છે અને આ femoral shaft છે. તો અહીંયાથી એનું origin થશે and it insert at the tibial tuberosity. Okay, common quadriceps tendon into patella and tibial tuberosity via patellar ligament. And action is extension of leg at the knee joint. Same extension કરશે knee joint નું, and nerve supply is femoral nerve. So this is what all about the quadriceps muscles, which include total 4 muscles: the vastus intermediate, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, and rectus femoris. And આ બધા 4 muscles ને કહેવાશે quadriceps muscle or quad muscle, and action is extension of the knee joint and flexion of hip joint. So this is all about the today's video. Okay, so here we complete the anterior the thigh muscles છે anterior side na, that are complete, and in part 2 tomorrow we will discuss about the medial side of thigh. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want any other topics, comment me below. Okay, in the comment box.